Hi, my name's Bernie. I'm the founder and executive director here at Moss Rose Cottage.
We just wanted to get a place for people who can't just go to work because they've got special needs or they just had a stroke or anything, mental health illness. And it's just a place to come and just feel like you're able to do what you used to be able to do, but you might have to change a bit of what you're doing just to make it suit you.
People here give a very, very good vibe. In many varying levels, you feel very, very welcome here.
It gives me a safe place to come and engage with a community of people for my own psychological well-being.
If we didn't have the capital funding grant, there's nothing that I could have promised potential colleagues. Initially, we were trying to think, right, what do we need? To operate as a business, you obviously need to have a computer, a printer, laminator, telephones.
The tablets and printers, they're really good because it's more of a work environment, whereas this, if they weren't there, I think it would feel more like a social group.
Then we said, well, we've got to make people want to come here. That led us to the pool table.
The pool table is certainly better than the ones I've used in pubs over the years. No, it's excellent.
If they're nervous, it's a really good way to break the ice.
It's just smiling, just seeing people happy and smiling and just forgetting about life for 5.
The most surprisingly important thing that I'd underestimated and had overseen as just the most basic was table and chairs.
Having tables and chairs in multiple spaces is really useful. I've seen that firsthand.
Sitting and speaking to other people. It's got the nice relaxing music in the background if you needed it then. I found those really, really helpful for my mindfulness.
And this is what Moss Rose is about, is having somewhere that you belong, somewhere that you feel welcome and somewhere that you are comfortable.
This morning we did a cookery class, very, very easy learning class. We made some apple crumble cakes with fresh apples from the garden here at Moss Rose.
A lady called Jen comes in and she literally provides all the ingredients, everything ready for you. So having the pans has been huge.
We made a lovely butternut squash curry, very easy to make, very healthy. And it's just give me that little spark to go home, try a few things, get my cook on.
If the cooking equipment wasn't here, it'd be a struggle because trying to get the ingredients, going to shops looking for things and all that, yeah, I probably wouldn't come. I've come up these streets for years, and to see that this was here all this time, I never knew it. It's crazy.
Come on, come on.
How is it?
This place has changed how I feel about myself and about how I go about my life now.
It makes a good difference. I feel that it gives me a focus, like that I know that I've got a purpose.
If we didn't have this equipment, we might not be able to bring the community as a whole together, and I think that's very, very important.
Really, really glad they've had the awards that they've had because they're doing some great work here.
And so they've made the greatest difference because never mind what comes after it, if it wasn't for that initial investment, we could never have opened our doors. So when people want to come to Moss Rose Cottage, the usual way is they get referred here through their mental health practitioners. So I would advise people to ring the mobile number and to have a look at the website, see if there's anything you fancy, and certainly keep an eye out on social media